guys. Hello, guys. How are you? Come on, guys.
Hello.
Yeah? You good? You good?
Yeah, we
Regain the tangi nekuintroduce kune vana ava. Munongoziva kuti kana tichiti big six tikureva boys zedu takavakagara high table. Ndo vanogara high table chaipo chaipo. Ndotanga na Freeman Dave. Yeah? Should you say? Saint Flo. Nati oh. Enzo. Tripo. Nakila T.
Tripo.
Nevanguava.
How you doing?
Excuse Muribo.
Nice.
Okay, guys, it's all about Zimling Cup, guys. It's the biggest indoor event in the UK. Second year running, guys. We only got about, how many? 5 tickets left? It's a sold-out event every single year, all because of our big 6, guys. Ndotanga excuse, how was last year?
It was crazy.
Yeah?
It was crazy. We had fun. It was packed, sold out, and we are doing it again.
Yeah. And we've also been joined by 2 new folks. Hey, Ndape. Saint Flo. Hey. Murikutigira chi this year because tine vedu vakura the big 4 vamwacho vakagara apa. You know these guys are always representing the UK. Murikunza chi this year. Eh. Enzo.
Akutongopaza mudhuri. Tauya kuzopaza mudhuri kwasiya vari right. Tajoina namukoma saka zvagara zviri kutofaya. But can't tauya takuya kuchimoratidza kuti aiwa vapfana vaterawo futi.
Ndoenda kuna mukoma kila T warungozunguza musoro. Tiudzei nezveevent last year. Muzotudza kuti this year muri kutiunzira chi?
Vanenge ari mavani. Vamwe varipo vari kuzviziva. Saizvo zvawedzera mbozi timu yacho iri panapa ma1. Vese zvavo.
Vese zvavo.
Yeah, mapromota anoziva zvavari kuita anosiyenda chitimu yacho.
Okay.
Yeah, Platine song nyowani.
Mune song yo. Ndoenda kuna Nati wakangonyarara ipapo. Tell us about, last year's event because you were here as well. How did that go? Zvakafamba sei?
Last year was crazy. It's always crazy. Zimling Cup, I feel like, you know what goes down. The event has all of these vibes that we all have been missing as Zimbabweans abroad. You see? So now it's a different spice altogether. Yeah, I'm glad we have 2 of my little brothers around. I've been waiting for this moment. Enzo, Ishall, and Saint Flo. So it's going to be nicer again. Trying to blend in with whatever it is that has been happening because it's always been crazy. Angariko last year, we always bring the extension.
Oh, yeah?
We always extend.
You have to throw it in there,
Yeah.
Freeman.
Yeah.
Tell us. What are you bringing us today? Any new music? This year, Mangwana.
Not Mangwana.
Huh?
It's too early for me to give them something new.
Oh, okay.
They are still vibing.
Okay.
Zimling Cup, the name says it all.
Zimling Cup.
Zimbabweans are going to link up. It's gonna be something. It's gonna be something crazy.
Definitely, guys. And not forgetting our sponsors here. It's all about World Remit again. Send money fast with World Remit to a choice of 720 plus cash pickup locations in Zimbabwe with US dollar cash guaranteed. No one covers Zim like World Remit. And as we were talking about Zimling Cup, I didn't introduce myself. I'm too excited because I'm sitting with the big 6. I'm MC Vaz and I'm always hosting Zimling Cup and I'm here to represent all these guys here. I want to go to XQ. You're a bit quiet today. I'm going to prepare my vocals for my one.
I'm here.
Yeah?
All of it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm ready. I'm ready for tomorrow.
Ready for tomorrow. Guys, as they're saying they are ready for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're actually at the Forum in Birmingham from 10 p.m. till 5 a.m. So guys, please get your tickets. Get your tickets. Tell a friend to tell a friend that the tickets are selling out because you know what? This is the biggest event by Zimbabweans and it's Zimling Cup. And I want to tell you as well, you can go on to www.status100pr.com and sign up so that you can get the latest events from Zimling Cup as well. Guys, I want to go to you guys. Saint Flo.
Yeah.
Saint Flo. Yeah. So, I just want to ask, I think I don't know.
What I am is an artist. Okay, I can make music, any type of music, but I like to define myself as a hip hop artist. Yes, I'm a hip hop artist, but still nyango kati pasungura torwa. Tinenge tamwatika saka. Danso tinorova zvese. Yeah.
Because it's somewhere again.
Ndiko, yeah, it's hip hop, yeah. But then, okay, so it's just a hip hop guy getting to diversify, getting to feel every kind of type of music because it's like I'm an artist. So what am I supposed to do? I'm supposed to experiment, get to feel everything. Yeah.
How does it feel to be part of the big six? Because they're a big four.
All stars.
You know?
All stars, superstars, yeah. I'm happy to be part of the pack because kana we have a cream dalaga. It means we kutambira teacher hiyo.
Cream de la cream.
Tauya kuzopaza mduri. And it.
And you like that phrase, paza mduri.
Aya kupaza mduri kutopaza forum. Yeah, Dunya
Yeah.
Yes, I'm the real. Guys, you've heard it here. XQ wants to give out a ticket. We need some tickets. So that guy to go to the shit.
Oh, I don't go for free, but I'm not gonna go to.
Mira. Ngata already kolo kantantasi.
Okay, so fine. I'm gonna be selfish for just a minute. Album runs
Yeah.
Tell us.
There's a song runs the Canona. So if someone can just send just a small clip that she can Canona, I'll be glad.
But it
Inini ndoda kuziva kuti kanonaka kai mukoma.
Anyama ile
platform, video uchiimba kanonaka. As even ka voice note, ungoda kuita kurepa kana kuita sensei. Kana ngotamba song yacho na kila chingana ngotamba asi kanonaka and munozoti ane album akinonzi Enoch saka kana uchiziya XQ uziya kanonaka kacho ikako. Tachaya kuti akaitacho but kakanzi kano.
I'm giving them like 5 minutes. I don't know if I just keep the ticket because this is my business. I wouldn't need so I'll keep the ticket for myself. Yeah.
Okay. Pano akuwa vakangunyana nanasi.
Yeah.
Turn on the microphone. You're here?
Yeah.
Okay, tell us about what you're doing at the moment.
I'm doing music.
I'm strictly music.
Vanongotukwa vega dzimwe nguva kana wakanetsana nefriend yako unoisa album racho zvinongopedzera neikoko because you've got those tracks that say a lot and that speak about zviri kuitika muupenyu hwevanhu.
This time didn't laugh. The picture I always come and play.
I'm going to delete it.
Come out, so
So, okay, Kila.
Yeah.
No, but to give you a challenge,
Oh, this is very easy. Yo, or you tell me to do it. Enzo.
I'm beating it.
My dad's and want to teach you to go no, is it?
And I got this going under 3 minutes.
Guys, anyway, let's not forget about our sponsors. Send money fast with World Remit to a choice of 720 plus cash pickup locations in Zimbabwe with US dollar cash guaranteed. No one covers Zim like World Remit.
ane pink inde ovina kala yaturo. Anyway, I insist to people, we are always working. We are always working at Skumira Edu. Definitely, this year, Changobuta is usual. So that remember the Chione, which can open a big 6 up, and you're going to graft. And the Enzo and Santa, I don't watch graft up now. Really appreciate effort you use for them promoters. I hope one day because she's going to let you go for them. Personal because at the wega, those are 2 days. But I know it will take time, but it will happen one day.
But you know what?
But you remember one
But nisha muri kuita boys zangu kana kuzika amafora mayatikita kwa hazadza takuda zvema arena big 6 iri mu arena and guys status 100 that's what we want. Yeah, we want that for you guys. We want that for the Zimbabwean artists, the big 6. Because you know what I like about what Jobuta and Akira teams, they're always working. These guys are always grafting. Hence why they always have a hit after hit after hit, breaking records. That's not easy. It's not easy.
For you to be relevant. Bozy, music is not it's gonna be a big song. You know what you just do, you just put your all, then wait for the next right? Sometimes we don't want to do the song and hit song over Bulutikwa. Or for no mira kushanda. I don't want
Talking about your songs, my collaborations. I know with you. I know with you. Collaborator. Is there anything in the pipeline? My collaborations here. Sing a big 6.
I dare you to say I think don't story, Papa. Boys, don't know the song.
Oh, the don't charge that Robert in album.
I hear one song.
Album.
One song with Bo.
You think I got it, 1 hour.
Album. So ringa jinsi jia bamrash.
Ayo ina.
Ringa jinsi dambarif. Album ringa dambarif.
Ayo ngati so ina ndi album. And he is my album. And just go in his album. Saka ngati kuite so.
Jet and in support ends.
But song after song after song zikazita kana 5 kana 6 yato album.
Yato album.
Yato album.
Album rungadziwa one.
Oh. Saka saka mazvinzi gra mega kuti vada ku big 6 song kuti tinenge chaita ka song. Ha?
Antukwata.
Cha. Kana usina kusimbatiza.
I'm not saying one.
Manager somewhere. Manager?
Yeah.
What's wrong with this guy?
Yeah.
I don't tease my album one.
I mean, indokwanisa kuita zvandokwanisa kuita zvinongoitwa nehanda nema-album.
Okay. But anyway, you're with the best people to teach you about albums and doing albums anyway. You're in the right place. You're definitely in the right place.
Yeah.
And guys, I wish you guys could be here because this is such a vibe. These guys, as you can see, they're ready for you. They're hyped up for you guys. And I wish you were sitting there. Yeah. This is a good seat to be. I just want to go kuna Nati. Oh, you're just quiet there. Chibotuzo. Okay, guys, I just want to encourage you as well because, as you know, Status 100 PR always have events going out there. So please go onto their website, which is www.status100pr.com, and sign up, subscribe, so that you get the latest events. Today we've got a Zimling Cup party at the Cave in Birmingham, starting at 10 p.m. till 3 a.m. Tomorrow we are at the Forum with the main event with our Big Six. These guys are here to entertain. They mean business, and if you don't have your ticket, you are just going to be, I don't know where you're going to be, because everybody is hitting the town of Birmingham. Okay, guys, any other few words, or should I open up to the floor? Do you have any questions? Because I've got people in the back there. Do you have any questions that you'd like to ask?
I don't think I know Mvunza. Ranzo loti Mvunza.
Tauya navo veza tiyo navo.
And when a party, tukuna ubu party system.
The cave, at the Cave in Birmingham.
All right.
Was it teach you by the game? What did I say?
Album.
I got the album.
But not to Vunza, which you guys are in the other first album.
I don't know fans number.
So we can do this. You don't want to butter our first song. You better see it.
Madam come.
Yeah, but I'm a producer. You can actually break down the bill. I'm a producer. Then one almost about 6.
I made boys. Down the road. Any birthday, man, come on. We didn't find one. The birthday album. Basara Rudiri. Because cannot consult my how? I'm here with the Big Six. I don't even album. But I'm my album. My Sarah Gumbo.
No,
Singular to open Juma. I'm 6'7".
But I'm not seeing how to meditate.
Can I answer that for you? As a fan of the ones who got albums.
Yeah.
The Chakanaka album, it tells a story. You know, like Ukanzwa album, Enoch, it tells story, love, sweet.
But what if you don't want to tell a story? Don't go to one man. That's going. Ayo, kana kuyo na skedi ma series you go there.
Okay.
One movie.
It's okay. Okay.
As long as you don't go kanda maitsi.
Because one day pana ba tete tutaranya tolinga. Kwata bwe. But album do pay good.
Bachaira bambana mchimana. Ranokuno usimuza kana uroera.
Rona ukupedza.
Yeah.
Kana with album when I see pop DJ. Wabiriza matrix aku 12 pale kunongorera 1 ozodenekera single.
Plus ini nangu ndaona zvakawanda muindustry ngani kurwa mahits because mahits anonetsa muona sometimes mangandura maalbum kuti animoti meno wani inozongopoya ipapo ndozvinoshanda maalbum kune vanhu maona but ndoziva kuti ndakada kugadzira hit song if I sit down naisa pfungwa dzangu pasong newani vanhanakiro but zvamataura handisi kuzviramba mukomo tichanobvunza kufora mangwana 5 May World Remit ichitonzwa kudai so kuti mangwana Enzo Ishall. Ndatara na changa kuuza sembe.
Hachitotaura vachibvunza vaifesi dziri dzisipa
saka pauda unati apa santa apa chichita kuda.
Okay, Marjin's going to World Remit. The boys are saying so flyers should represent the Big Six as well. I've got the World Remit guys there at the back there. So when we're doing the Zimling Cup event as well, so maybe have the Big Six on one of the flyers. But anyway, talking about Zim and also World Remit, send money fast with World Remit to a choice of 720 cash pickup locations in Zimbabwe with US dollar cash guaranteed. No one covers a Zim like World Remit. I'm MC Vaz representing Status 100 and also Zim Link Up. Guys, we're here to create, I don't know, create memories. We're here to create, it's a platform, Zim Link Up is a platform for Zimbabwean artists, promoting the culture, promoting our artists, and we always have these big six. I didn't do that name, guys. I didn't do it, but I don't that name.
I stood there and name should do that, but I shall
No, guys. We've got your back. And to be honest with you, it's just we're very proud that you raise our flag all over the world. Because unotugenda kana kwese nomujuzuka kuti Freeman, XQ. Like
I really appreciate Naka Bless because for the first time that I came to UK, I remember 150. But my manjika forum like last year it was something different.
Can I get the running in on 4,000. I'm sadari. Santa. Tayos Imbrano 4,000 by UK.
Yeah.
Saga.
And imagine, you're not only encouraging or kind of fighting our generation. My generation, and everybody, and they'll be singing your songs and everything. So you're actually, getting to these new generations. And and you guys are giving us that information through your music as well. Do you have Nati Futan? As long as you're
Nati.
Nati.
Cool, calm, and collected.
You're meditating like XQ.
And that is a pit,
Okay. Taura, my fans, they're out there waiting for you, waiting to hear what you're going to say.
Amira ndubvunze muri seeking muribo mafambasi. How was the flight? Tell us Nati. Kubva kumba kusvika kuno mafambasi
tachuna ruti tangatitisi.
Alright, but how are you feeling? Uri kunzwa sei kuva uri part of Zim Link Up?
I've been part of Zim Link Up from inception, from the start. So
wow,
I love it, seeing the growth of the movement. Now it's no longer mabulaza angu wazindani iwewe na Santa ndokutumai.
Yeah, ndizvozvo ndosa ndikutokuinterview yamukoma saka anganzwa uyu
it's like Kelvin kuzigwenyata.
guleza
apana pano ngo respect exchange amongesa apana wangu
awu ni bless yangu achembera mbese awesa pana wangu bada naja andontiza kana badina lundu hanzi ni yamena ndonetsa
ispela kadakwa pano
anofonera ayingondikwatisa chama ozangu ndifuna sasa mfane ukustange nini wewe
aruye bazati
My topic girl. My topic girl.
meno Schneider waninga wana Schneider atanzwa my good
yangu mana asokutombodina orodina ufana udina urukuro
ndiwe saka maona vamwe alright po
Okay, guys. Guys, thank you so much for if you just joined us. It's all about Zim Link Up. It's all happening tomorrow at the forum. Today we're at the cave partying. And guys, please grab your tickets. They're running out. Are the tickets still live? Do we still have tickets? Yeah? Are they sold out? Oh, guys, I'm sorry, we're sold out except for that one ticket. Yeah. One ticket, yeah, XQ, the giveaway. So that's the only ticket that's left. And Anzi na XQ, Anzi Imba kana kuti.
Apana chaitigere.
Apana atutumira video.
Zofana zvaitika bana.
Saka kana pa Anzi tumira video yekuti Anzi inonzi chi?
Kanonaka.
Anzi Kanonaka. Anyway, guys, so make sure you send that video, and then you get a ticket. But tickets are sold out. This is the biggest event in the UK, guys. This is our second year running. I'm telling you, with the way the Big Six are going, we're going to be booking an arena because it's going bigger and bigger and bigger every single year. And these guys are going to be performing live. It's going to be hyped up. I don't know. And because I remember packing some my tickets. The thing I like about Zimling Cup, but not telling my tickets are cheap. I think my early bed. One quarter. Those no nets. But one also not line up here. Last minute. My tickets are because and then you start people, running back from it is so sell out, and it does sell out, and it's sold out just before the event. No tickets at the gate, guys. No, zero. So don't expect anything to be sold at the gate. We don't sell anything at the gate because this is our creme de la creme.
I don't believe it. Same floor. What is
line up Big Six. You're the high table.
But I know a big fan. I don't go down to freestyle. Go for it.
All right, guys. Let me just introduce.
Nigga dance, guys.
It's a freestyle and Freeman.
I know to me so yeah.
It's okay. You didn't want the big fan.
Okay. Do you know what? Because you called him out. Now the Big Six, each one have to give us a freestyle. Thank you. Just for the fans, because you called him out. Take it away.
Wongo chino netsana pakaita nuwe.
Oh my dad.
Wongo chino netsana pakaita nuwe achipindira pakati tanga kumarana.
Mgoma Sylvester at me.
Yeah, Freeman.
Takabatese mumadaga takatangira tichikuza makata baby pandai wande mumashanga tichikutaemira kuti ndisaonekwe nadedi usandisiye nekuti vatakabva kure jejejeje usacheuke kumashure chimbouya ndikubabure ndiega ndinonzwa kutya.
So we muna akadyiswa.
Nato. You are freestyle.
Nati, oh, take
Yeah.
it away.
Ni ukuru.
Shauri wesera ngosha.
Too many hits. Ndikona kurova. Ndikagarakara ndikucheka cheka. Ndikuona calendar. I know you say you're coming home, baby. Ndikagarakara ndikucheka. Ndikuona calendar. I know you say you're coming home. Soon as I touch down, ndizakuonesa chikondi. I'm gonna love you for real. Nchakuona proper, baby. I hope you feel it.
You know what that is?
I feel it. I'm feeling it. Enzo, I shall take you
Ani
away.
ukuru.
Sweeter, 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 ta, ta.
Sweet. Ayo iseka donaka.
Right. This is Mari.
Alright. Amise CD Magodis. Amise Bono this. Amise Clark and Kiss. Yo Oskid. Do Buddha opafea. Di mango magpindongi bura umatia. Dimboterera no ninya. Gangster legend. I'm Sadare. Santa. Your 10 my youth. Run the place. Mash up that thing there.
Alright. So inini anti ndini uya wani we akataka kusiyana nevamwe. So yeah. Zivati nashe ndo mutarisi. Munashe mune imba yemagefa ndo mugarisi. Kwamuri kune vanoreva nhema havambogarisika. Kwedu kune vanoti vabhema havazotarisika. Ziva musiyano wenhapwa nemagladiator. Ziyazozikanwa nesu then hauzozvinetsa. Dira mukapu ndichiona handigone kutrust. Vakanditadzira maticha pamwe nemapasta. Cheka.
Thank you guys. You just got a snippet of what's happening tomorrow, and these guys were a bit chilled, but tomorrow they're going to be hyped up with music and rotating DJs as well, guys. But guys, you know I told you the tickets are sold out. We only have one left for the person who's going to sing a Panonaka. Kanonaka. So you've got to sing that song, or you got to, rap it, whatever, or dance to it, and you'll win a ticket. The first one to do it, or the first one to make XQ smile and like it, or the team, then you get the ticket, guys. It's all about Zimlink Cup, guys, and thank you very much to World Remit. Send money fast with World Remit to a choice of 720 plus cash pickup locations in Zimbabwe with US dollar cash guaranteed. No one covers Zim like World Remit. Right, guys, before we close, I'm just going to call upon one of the promoters so they can say a few words. Kojo, where are you? So guys, it's all about Zimlink Cup, guys, and also go to www.status100pr.com, subscribe or sign up so that you can get the latest events from them as well. Right, here we are with Kojo. Oh, wow. Well, I always get into this position every single year.
Anyway, guys, thank you very much for supporting Zimlink Cup. We're back again this year with the Big Six, arguably the biggest and the best from Zimbabwe. Zimlink Cup has been going on for a long time, as some know, some don't. We started it about 10 years ago. I think the first event had about 50 people. 10 years down the line. We're selling 2 years in a row, which is good. And like some people have been saying to us, you guys need to do something different, something bigger. And yes, we are planning something bigger. We're going to move into a bigger arena. Because people want it, the appetite is there. So yeah, again, tomorrow expect nothing less but the best in production, sound. Everyone has a live band. So yeah, I think that's it. But everything else, my guys were talking about that.
Oh, a live band! I didn't mention that. So it's a live band tomorrow, guys.
Yeah.
So it's you guys. I know you guys are good with live bands, and I love your vocals with live band. Freeman, how was live band with you? How do you feel about that?
I feel like I've grown now.
Yeah?
So tomorrow expect nothing less than the best from the Zimbabwean cream de la cream.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fire tomorrow. History to be made. Straight up.
Yeah. magitara chitingende kilati mlinga mchidi
live band pani bakashata achinja kachaya kuzofana wacho they are well trained vakatrain vakachimaster chigame vanoshera sound yodaunzo musiyano nezvavakambonzwa paredio vanotyora zvekudaro.
Oh, that's good. Excuse me, I didn't have a live band last year as well. Right? So do you have the same band this year again?
Yeah. Nothing new. Nothing new. I mean, we used to it, so.
Yeah, good. And same flow na Enzo. What are your expectations in a live band, like in the UK?
Ben Raju Raya. Saka obviously kupaza mduri. Kupaza mduri mnokuziye.
I'm just learning.
Mshaona mongwa.
Same flow. Muchirepa ni live band.
Oh, ibenda yangu. So saka set. It's my band.
Okay. Nati off.
I'm doing the phone. I'm going on the phone.
Mamuna, you last year.
And the last year.
Yeah.
Every time.
Okay.
Same people. Shabak the Wind is here. We've been doing this for the longest time with these guys, so we know each other. We know how to bring the show to the people. It's not just about performing. I feel our boys there, when we intertwine and we merge, we bring experiences. So there's certain things that you get to hear that you don't get to see on a regular.
Yeah.
So that's what's gonna happen tomorrow. ABX extension, can extend the ability just a little bit. Shabak is here to deliver. I'm here to deliver. Those who know. We've been there. XQ delivers. Killer T does. Freeman delivers. Maybe and I know the two young kings will deliver too. So it's a crazy outlook. It's gonna be a crazy outlook, and it's one of those Zimlink Cup to remember.
Yeah, as usual.
And big up to the promoters for aiding Enzo and saying flow to the list. I'll tell you honestly, without fear or prejudice, Anarbana Vandu Arfanango Arbana.
Okay, guys. I'm sure you can go. Our conference. You can go. Thank you. I can't you don't want to ask any questions or anything? Would it bore to the crowd at the back? Okay, so that we can close the conference. Panim Funzo. Any question? Abana. Okay. All right. So that we're about to close anyway the conference. A big thank you to the promoters. And like I said before, please go on to www.status100pr.com. Subscribe so that you can get the latest events. As you know, Zimlink Cup is at the forum tomorrow. Tickets are sold out. So you've missed out again if you didn't buy the tickets on time. And a big thank you to Zimbo Live. A big thank you to World Remit. And don't forget, with World Remit, send money fast with World Remit to a choice of 720 plus cash pickup locations in Zimbabwe with US dollar cash guaranteed. No one covers Zim like World Remit. So I'm going to go to the guys. Your last words. Anyone? Last word. Because my fans because they can feel the vibe.
A big shout out to the promoter for doing this big job. It's not easy to bring such big artists together. So tomorrow, Karasna ticket rago, I was gonna show.
Yeah.
So please, come in numbers.
Yeah, I think you said no tickets at the gate. Yeah. Saint Flo, you want to say last words?
Blessings to the man selector name Jamal. Yes.
Thank you. Nati O, last words?
Yeah, last words. It's gonna be a crazy night. And I think encourage the fans and whoever who attends to the show. These guys have music online. Some of them have new music. Go out there, stream, push the music, spread the culture. It doesn't have to end here. Just to go to the world.
Yeah. Enzo?
Brr. Album, Enzo Ishall's first album coming out soon. Yeah. Tomorrow, not tomorrow. Yeah, sezvo mangonzwirana zvatorana nati kuti kupaza mudhuri vamuri kuona varipo ndo vanofanira kunge varipo ende kuforama kuna anotemwa. So yeah.
I'm here to learn kupaza mudhuri, like Mangwana. I'm there. Ndoda kuzokuona uchipaza mudhuri. Okay, Kilati.
Yo, we are ready for tomorrow, Sunday, 5th May, Birmingham Forum. So I just want everyone to come through. Timboarera my number. My superstars are banaba my hitsi obo. Sing along kuba show tanga shika kuvaru. Apana disappointment.
Nasina ngakukubatira microphone. Chakubhatarisa. Kepensera, all right?
No, I want to send a big shout out to World Remit, Status 100 and Zimlink Up, and the whole community in the UK for your support. Tomorrow, let's enjoy. Let's have some fun because that's the whole point, to enjoy. So let's enjoy and, you know, make memories. That's what I was good about this.
Okay, saka chituza kuti chingopedzera ke ticket rakurera rangochitaura ere. Atikuzotraita sei but chingovaudza kuti richiripo vanhu vangotumira ma videos avo kekupedzisira.
Ayo, ticket raenda.
Raenda ticket. All right, guys, thank you very much for joining us. I'm MC Vaz with the Big Six, you know, courtesy of Zimlink Cup, Status 100, World Remit, and Zimbo Live. MC Vaz is out. See you on the other side, guys. Bye.
Zimbabweans around the world, through my music, I've found a way to unite us all. And just like my music connects us, World Remit brings Zimbabweans together. They make it easy for you to send money back home with fast and safe money transfers. And with the largest cash pickup network in Zim, your loved ones can collect the money you send them effortlessly, USD guaranteed. Together, let's keep the spirit of Zim alive. Let's build bridges across the globe. With World Remit, one money transfer at a time. Zimbabweans around the world, through my music, I've found a way to unite us all. And just like my music connects us, World Remit brings Zimbabweans together. They make it easy for you to send money back home